Hey, Dr. Stile here. Today I want to talk to you about dermal fillers. As we age, our skin loses collagen, causing it to sag and wrinkle. Dermal fillers can help restore lost volume, smooth away wrinkles, and enhance features such as the lips to help you achieve your aesthetic goals. So, what are dermal fillers? Dermal fillers are body-safe materials injected into the face or other parts of the body to enhance and add volume. At Stile Aesthetics, we offer a variety of dermal filler materials to cater to your specific needs, whether it's adding shape, volume, contours, or getting rid of lines and wrinkles. Now, let's address the burning question. How long do dermal fillers last? The most popular type of dermal filler uses hyaluronic acid, a molecule already found in the skin. These fillers typically last from 6 months to a year, with some formulas lasting up to 18 months. However, other types of fillers can last 2 years or more, providing you with a range of options to suit your preferences. Moving on to the types of dermal fillers available, we offer Restylane, Juvederm, Radiesse, and Sculptra. Each of these fillers uses materials with little to no risk of causing an adverse reaction in the body, providing you with a safe and effective solution for your aesthetic needs. Dermal fillers can be used in various parts of the face, including the cheeks, lips, nasolabial folds, lines around the mouth, and other lines and wrinkles. They also work well with many other treatments, including other injectables like Botox. Now you might be wondering, am I a good candidate for dermal fillers? The answer is, dermal fillers are safe for almost anyone with very low chances of an adverse reaction. Additionally, hyaluronic acid fillers can be removed using an enzyme that breaks down the material if you're not satisfied with the results. Finally, is there any downtime with dermal fillers? You can go back to your usual activities after getting dermal fillers with minimal bruising or swelling that typically lasts a day or two. If you're considering dermal fillers, I encourage you to take the first step by requesting a consultation with our knowledgeable medical staff at Stile Aesthetics. We're here to address your concerns and provide you with the best possible care. Be well.